The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, BMP280 sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Here enter the username and password and click the sign in button. And now from the left side menu go to Things and here click Create Thing. Now we can rename that thing name to Smart Altitude and Pressure Monitor and click on the rename button. Now we need to add 3 variables. Click the add button and the first variable name is temperature and select the variable type as temperature sensor and click on the add variable button. Now click the add button again and add the second variable which is pressure and select the variable type as float. Again click the add variable button. Now add the third variable which is altitude. Select the variable type again float. Now click the add variable button. Now go to select device under associated device. Here select setup new device and then select third party device. Here we are using ESP32 board and so select ESP32 and select the model as ESP32 module. Click continue. Here we can give any device name. Click next. Here copy the secret key, select this checkbox and click the continue button and then click done. Now we need to configure the network. For that click this set network and here we need to click go to device page. And now click this edit button and here enter the Wi-Fi username and password and paste the secret key which we copied. And now click go to sketch. Now here the basic program template is generated and now we need to add the program logic. So I have already wrote the program. I am just copy pasting the code. You can find the program link in the video description. So these are the variables which we added. And this is the formula to get the temperature, pressure and the altitude. Now we need to upload the program. For that connect the ESP32 board to your laptop. And click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we need to check the output. For that go to this main menu and click dashboard. Here then select create dashboard. Here also we can rename the dashboard to Smart Altitude and Pressure Monitor. And click on the rename button. Now click the edit button on the top right. Click this add button and add 3 gauge widgets. The first gauge is for temperature. Click link variable. Select the thing from here and link with the temperature variable. Again click the link variable button. If you want we can change the maximum value. Click done. Again click add. Select gauge and the second gauge is for pressure. Click link variable and link with the pressure variable. Here click link variable button and give the maximum value as 1500. Click done. Now again click add. Click gauge and this gauge is for altitude. Click link variable button and link with altitude. Here give the maximum value as 200. Click done. Again click the done button. Now from this dashboard we can check the output.
We can also check the output through mobile. For that, download the Arduino IoT Cloud remote application from the Play Store. Once you install the application, click Open. You can see the dashboard which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Click on the dashboard, and from here we can check the output.